Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I'm here to share with you a kitchen gadget that has made food prep so much easier. These right here are poultry shears from Garrier, and I love these things. So my favorite way to use them is obviously on poultry. I much prefer to use shears for cutting and preparing chicken than I do a knife. I don't know, for me, it's just easier. These are also spring-loaded shears, which aids in the ease of use. But these aren't just for chicken. I use them for vegetables, lettuce, you can use them for herbs, really a wide array of uses. There's even a bottle opener on the handle. I love the locking mechanism on here too. It keeps them together and secure when they're in your drawer. And these come apart, which makes cleaning them really easy. It's definitely a high quality tool. The blades are really sharp and durable. So if you want to make food prep in your life a little bit easier when you cook, then you should check these out. And that's my point of view.